Engineering complexity explodes as products become more complex, product cycle times become shorter, markets and manufacturing go global, and customers demand more choices and customization. Companies need a solution that enables them to manage this complexity, from product inception through manufacturing, in a simple way that enables reuse and commonality and eliminates engineering cycles on products that will never be offered on the market. Teamcenter and Solid Edge are industry-leading solutions that address these challenges with tight integration. This hand drill assembly has been configured with product family members using Teamcenter Product Configurator. We're seeing the full 150% bill of materials, and if needed, we can apply a variant which updates the bill of material accordingly. In this case, the hand drill has been configured with 3 variants. Once opened in Solid Edge, we get the options to load a 150% unconfigured bill of material, or we can select a product variant which loads a 100% bill of material. We'll select the standard basic variant from the product family and load it in Solid Edge. All the components associated with this variant are loaded. We can verify this by expanding the sub-assemblies to visualize the components associated to this standard variant. The list of product variants defined in Teamcenter can be viewed, and the active variant currently loaded in session is highlighted. This information is synchronized between Teamcenter and Solid Edge. We have full control over whether we want to load a different variant, load more than one variant to provide us with a 120% bill of material, or load all variants to create the 150% bill of material. If needed, we can edit and move the components as we have read-write access. We'll load the gold variant, then edit the battery subassembly to make some changes. Here, we'll reposition the label component in the correct location using the appropriate assembly constraints. On clicking Save, the change is updated and synchronized back to Teamcenter. We can create a new drawing of a loaded assembly variant or an unconfigured assembly. Here, we already have a drawing associated with the loaded variant. As the gold variant is loaded and active, let's open the associated drawing. The drawing is out of date with a recent change, so we'll update the drawing. As you see, the drawing views are updated to reflect the changes, and this data can be saved back to Teamcenter. Back in Teamcenter with Active Workspace, let's create a new product variant. Features defined in the configurator can be used to define variant content such as bills of material and CAD designs. It's an easy process. We can select the features from different functional members to define the new variant and provide a unique name. You can then validate the variants against the rules. We'll name this variant Diamond, which will be new to the product family. As we switch back to Solid Edge, the new variant is shown in the variant configuration dialog and is ready to load instantly. These variants can be loaded in the session for design review, visualization, or an interference study. With seamless integration between Teamcenter and Solid Edge, you can build your products faster to meet your customers' requirements.